Click on the link below to get price. The Janome Skyline S3 sewing machine is a versatile and user-friendly device designed to meet the needs of both beginners and experienced sewers alike. With its array of features and solid construction, it aims to provide a reliable sewing experience for various projects. At first glance, the Skyline S3 has a contemporary design that blends functionality with style. The machine boasts a bright LED screen that displays stitch selections and settings, making it easy to navigate through its various functions. The overall appearance is sleek and modern, appealing to those who appreciate both aesthetic and practical elements in their crafting tools. One of the standout features of the Janome Skyline S3 is its impressive selection of 120 built-in stitches, which include utility, decorative, and quilting options. This variety allows users to explore their creativity and customize their projects to suit their personal style. The machine also offers a one-step buttonhole feature that simplifies the process of adding buttons to garments, making it a practical choice for sewing clothing. The Skyline S3 is equipped with a drop feed system, enabling free motion sewing, which is particularly useful for quilters and those who wish to engage in more artistic sewing endeavors. Additionally, the machine comes with a built-in needle threader, a feature that many users find enhances their sewing experience by reducing the time spent on setup. For convenience, the sewing machine includes an extension table, providing a larger workspace for handling larger projects, such as quilts or home decor items. The adjustable presser foot pressure is another beneficial feature, allowing users to manipulate various types of fabric, from lightweight silks to heavier denim, with ease. In terms of usage, the Janome Skyline S3 is designed with user comfort in mind. The machine operates quietly, which can be a significant advantage for those who sew for extended periods. Its sturdy construction ensures stability, even at higher sewing speeds. The clear instructional manual that accompanies the machine further enhances the user experience, offering guidance on how to fully utilize its features. In conclusion, the Janome Skyline S3 sewing machine presents a compelling option for anyone looking for a reliable and feature-rich sewing machine. Its combination of user-friendly design, a diverse range of stitches, and helpful accessories make it suitable for a wide array of sewing projects. Whether you're creating garments, quilts, or home decor, this machine is designed to support your sewing journey with efficiency and ease.